India has achieved a major milestone in defense technology with the successful demonstration of a 30kW laser weapon system developed by DRDO. Tested at the National Open Air Range in Kurnool, the high-powered directed energy weapon can neutralize drones, missiles, fixed-wing aircraft, and electronic systems. The system, developed under the codename Sahastra Shakti, marks over a decade of research and is now ready for production, with full deployment expected within 2 years. Initiated in 2012 with a focus on indigenous capability, the program positions India among an elite group of nations, including the US, China, and Russia, that possess advanced laser-based defense systems. The laser weapon is designed for integration across multiple military platforms and is a key step in modernizing India's defense with cutting-edge, non-kinetic technologies.